A Day in My Life as a Radtech Student Summer Edition.
First period namin, guys. Math kami, guys. Magulo yung kasama ko. Wait. Second period na namin, guys. Pero hindi mag-meet si sir. Pero nagbigay siya ng activity. That is our last for our midterm. Hello, guys.
Tama yung answer. I'm here, I'm back.
So kaya nag-reunion na kami dito. Wala kasi kami class. Afternoon pa for 4 p.m. pa.
Yes. Sure.
So, our second period na po. Second period na namin.
Saan pa?
Wala matao. So, maghanap kami ng room kasi may mag-occupy na sa room namin. I'm with Iya.